never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
It was alright. Water, so I'll be right back. I'm going to use it as a sponge. Shh, don't tell her. Don't tell her. She'll kill me. So yeah, that's that done. Could have been better on this one. Look, you won't see that. Now, gonna move you over to the other side of the one. I want to show you what we've done. There we go. That's that side done. And that's that side done. That side of the tiling is finished. But I'm thinking about doing this part with the tiles I have left. Now the problem is, one problem, I have to make space. It's not a big, well, it's not a problem, but you know. Now, what do? Do I put that slimmer of tile there, try and cut it? I don't think it's gonna stay if I cut it. Or do I take these tiles off and cut that tile here and just go all the way down with it? Maybe it's the best option. The only problem is I only have a few tiles left. So I have to see. Look, we'll see how we get on. I'll work away at it, and we might have enough. We might have enough tiles. Or another option I could do is to actually grout it instead. I'll try cutting a piece of tile there first. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Hi everyone, just having a cup of coffee now. I've all the tiles laid. Now, all we need to do now is do the grouting. I'll show you what I've done. I decided I had a few tiles left, and I just had enough to finish that. Now, it would have been nice to have done all this as well, but look, that's grand. We only had enough to do that, so it's gas how it turned out to be like that, like, you know. So I'll be doing all the grouting now later, after my coffee. It's done all along here. It's done there. Yeah. If they haven't, then we'll find out soon enough anyway, because they'll be here soon. Fortunately, that we don't have coverage here, so I won't know anything until I get here. Fingers crossed. I just realised how sweaty I am. Yeah, just finished tiling. It's all golden and everything. Turned out nice, actually. I thought it was crap tiling until I went and grouted it. That's what it looks like now. Looks, I'm chuffed with that. Oh, it looks so much better now. Yeah, all done. It's now, let me see what time it is. It's nearly, it's 20 to 4 now. Still no sign of them. They were saying, well, Aga was telling me that they'd be here for 3 o'clock. Still no sign of them. I know there was a lot of stuff coming, like, but I hope nothing happened. And there's no way of me, ringing them because there's no coverage here. I have to go up the road to do that. I don't know what to do. I'll wait until 5 o'clock, look. And if no one comes at 5 o'clock, I'm going to go off and look for them, because it's weird. They're never, I know they were in Killarney, and they were getting bits and pieces, but Jesus. Side my language, this is a long time. I've had something to eat. Girls have had something to eat. I've loads of food left over, because I was thinking they might be hungry when they come over, but there's no sign of them, so I don't know what to do. I've got food here, Oh well. Let's turn off that. Yeah, so that took me a good piece of the day now to try and do all that. Small pieces, and it was just so, irritating to do, but trying to get it right, and I'm chuffed at that. It looks smashing. Now, you're probably all wondering what I'm going to do with the top here, all around. I'm not sure yet. Still kind of figuring out what I'm going to do. Do I just leave it like that, or do I do something? I don't know. I could put a moulding across it all the way around. It's going to be hard to nail it on. I'd have to stick it on with grip fiddle or something like that. I don't know what else to do. I could, mould it back. I think it would make it look crap that way. You can get a piece that goes into it. All right. I might even do that. Let's see. Yeah, that's basically it now. All tied and done, finished, done with. Like I probably some of you, if I was going to do it here, that's a kind of like a window board already. So what we're going to do is clean it up a bit, and we're going to paint it. Same with the one over here as well. It's concrete window board. It was made years ago. We're going to keep it in the house. And then over here, we have a piece of timber cut already for it. I'm going to put it on top. And then once we've filled it up with, you know, with the lime mortar, we have to do that. It's kind of like what you do with a chimney, you know. One just between the glue line and the chimney pot. Jeez, I hope they're okay. I haven't heard anything since. Like, if something happened, you think they'd get someone to... I don't know what's going on. I'm getting worried now, like. Yeah, we'll wait for another hour. I'll have another cup of tea. I'm not hungry, because I ate that and I'm actually full. I'm not really hungry. So, yeah, I'll have a sit down and a cup of tea and we'll wait and see if they come. Okay, guys, talk to you later. Bye. So they finally came in. Back. Yeah, we have to wait till Wednesday now till the carpet comes in, but it's what do you call it now? I'll show you what. Oh yeah, I'll show you what the stuff what we got now from Killarney actually. We got a new microwave, and we got our fridge. We're supposed to leave them for a while until they settle, but ignore that. That's for the dogs. So that's the fridge, and deep freezer. Yeah. So that's all sorted. And yeah, I've actually got no more jobs to kind of do for the time being. I have this, but I need to do a bit of work on it. I've got the mantelpiece. I just need to fill it up with sand and lime. I need to connect this. I might try and do that tomorrow. I'll show you the stove. And I've got to do something with this soon. And this, I have a plan for that. I'm going to put moulding on it or something like that. I'll fill it up with some cement. And we're going to fill up that. And then in here, I might do the curtain rails tomorrow if I have time. Finish that. And what else do we need to do? Upstairs, I'll show you what we need to do upstairs. Those plugs need to be put in, so I might actually call over to my friend there, see if he got it. And again, curtain wheels need to go on, and there's a bit of painting that needs to be touched up. Of course, the windows need to be cleaned as well, and I need to fix this. That needs to go back into place. So yeah, there's bits and pieces left to do. Nothing major. Really do that when we're moving in. Yeah. See you all tomorrow.